First things first, appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. So yesterday I did laundry in one of my top load washing machines. It's been a while since I checked on this machine. Look, I did laundry, then I didn't remove the clothes, so I was like, I'll hang out the clothes tomorrow, the following day, because I was a bit tired. See what I found. The machine was flooded. Like the water was continuously dripping in the washing machine. This drum is big. Can you imagine overnight? This is what I found. The machine was over flooding. I'd wasted water. I've been telling people to ensure filters are clean, so this was my turn. When you don't clean filters, let me tell you what happens. When you don't clean the water inlet filters, those sediments with that pressure, they force the valve in the solenoid valve to open. There's a valve, so they will open, they'll be on throughout. You know the way this fully automatic machine works? There is a pressure switch sensor that detects the level of water in the drum, when to fill water and when to stop and when to drain. So when the valve is open, there's communication from the motherboard, but water will still come in even when the machine is off. This happens when you don't clean the filters. That's why I insist, if you have a washing machine, locate and clean the filters. Now I had to do another rinse and dry. That is waste of energy, waste of electricity.